there the man, with soul so dead, who never to himself had said, "This is my own, my native land, India." Of India's glorious journey as a democracy. On this historic day, back in 1950, our constitution came into effect public. Let us begin this inspirational morning filled with patriotism, unity and gratitude for our nation. As Dr. B.R. Ambedkar once said, the Constitution is not a mere lawyer's document. It is a vehicle of life, and its spirit is always the spirit of the age. Let us take a moment today to remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters, to commence with the celebrations in true patriotic spirit. Let us proceed and pay tribute to our national flag.
झंडे को सलामी देंगे, सलामी तो
National anthem, 3, 4.
तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, रहे हमारा, रहे हमारा।
भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की।
blue graduate. Blue is the primary color, the color of the oceans and the sky. It often symbolizes serenity, stability, inspiration, and wisdom. It is the calming color, and it symbolizes reliability. You can see the flag bearer, Miss Samiksha Shinde, and the bridge captain of the team, Master Ved Gobal. We are extremely pleased to introduce the Green Comrades. The Green Cadets demonstrate the hill march by digging the hill deep to the ground, with toes pointed upwards and the arms swinging so rhythmically. Who loves the garden, loves the greenhouse too. A green, a very down-to-earth color. It donates focus. Flag bearer, Miss Aradhya Patil. Elegantly qualified, group leader, Master Samar Sisar. Guiding the contingent with great coordination. The color green is the color of our nature. Let us now shift our gaze to the next house. Yellow, the lights of Karwalke. The yellow group flag bearer is Miss Dikshita Jante. They are elegant in human stature. Closely observe the radiance they emit as they march past us with utter passion and zeal. The color yellow is the color of our sun, the only source of heat and light for our earth. Each member of this house is like the rays of the sun, small packets of energy, taking the ground with the robust stamps of their feet.
A nation strong, a spirit free, that is a proud republic we see. Good morning to one and all present here. I am privileged to stand before you today on this Republic Day. Warm greetings and a very warm welcome to all of you. As we all know that we have gathered here on a very special occasion for a democratic country, I feel elated to speak in front of you about our chief guest, Prabhakar Dhage sir. Prabhakar Dhage sir is a former Deputy Superintendent of Police with an exemplary. After a decade of dedicated service, he got retired as Deputy Superintendent on 31st August 2023. Leaving behind a legacy of academic excellence and an unwavering commitment to public duty. I request our principal, Reverend Sister Leonie, to welcome our chief guest.
Principal, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, my little friends, students and their parents. आज आपण 26 जानेवारी प्रजासत्ताक दिन साजरा करण्यासाठी इथे जमलेलो आहोत आणि दुसरं जे बँड पथक आहे ते सुद्धा अगदी प्रोफेशनल वाटत होते वाटत आहेत आणि त्यांचं जे वाद्य वाजन आहे किंवा त्यांनी जे सादर केलं ते खूप छान होतं. त्याबद्दल मी मनपूर्वक त्यांचं अभिनंदन करतो. तिथले प्रिन्सिपल, टीचिंग स्टाफ, नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ उत्कृष्ट आहेत आणि मी म्हणतो की इथं जे जे शाळेत आहेत आणि ज्या पालकांनी इथं मुलं शाळेत घातली त्या सर्वांचंच अभिनंदन करणं मला आवश्यक वाटतं. ही शाळा खूप चांगली आहे. आज मी पाहिलं तेव्हा मला भरपूर कौतुक वाटलं की इतकी सुंदर डिसिप्लिन, इतकी सुंदर शिस्त त्या शाळेमध्ये आहे. त्याबद्दल मी प्रिन्सिपॉलचं सुद्धा अभिनंदन करतो आणि तुम्हा सर्वांचं अभिनंदन करून तुम्हाला 26 जानेवारी या आजच्या दिवसाच्या खूप खूप मनभरून शुभेच्छा देतो. प्रगती करा, स्वतः चांगले व्हा, स्वतः डिसिप्लिनमध्ये राहा, घरच्यांना मदत करा आणि अभ्यासही करा. मोबाईलपासून तुमचे टीचर सांगतातच तसे दूर राहा. मोबाईल हे आभासी आकर्षण आहे, कामापुरतं आणि अभ्यासापुरतं ते जरूर वापरा, परंतु इतर गोष्टीसाठी मनोरंजनासाठी ते कृपया वापरू नका. हा थोडासा संदेश देऊन मी माझे 4 शब्द संपवतो. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Your words have truly enriched our Republic Day celebration and motivated us all. Your words have left a lasting impression on all of us. Your motivating speech has filled us with pride and patriotism. We are honored by your gracious presence. Now we have our little star, Jharidima from the senior KG, who will share a few words on this special occasion. Let us cheer and encourage our tiny speaker with lots of love.
Republic Day! Art, they fought with courage and made India free. After freedom on this day in 1950, India got its new constitution. That is the rule book of our country. The constitution tells us our right. Because of this, India is strong and fair. Today we celebrate Republic Day with the national flag and parade. We remember our great leaders and promise to be good citizens. I am very proud to be an Indian. India is my beautiful country. I love my India very much. Let us respect our constitution. Let us say together, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
In being responsible citizens and follow the values written in our constitution with honesty and dedication. The first is right to equality. Let's see how it is applicable in our daily life.
Dad, can you please give me 3,000? My school is conducting a trip to Nainital.
3,000? No, you're not going anywhere.
Dad, our school is conducting a trip to Nainital. Can you please give me 3,000?
Okay, my child. I'm giving you 3,000. Take care of yourself.
But Dad, why did you let Samar go?
Because he's a boy and you're a girl. You're not allowed to go.
But Dad, you can't do this to me. I have a right to equality.
You are right, my child. I'm sorry for my behavior. Here's 3,000 for your trip.
Yes, Priya has right to equality. Nobody should be discriminated on the basis of caste, gender, creed or religion. Just like Priya, everyone has right to visit any public places including restaurants, hotels, parks, etc. The next scene highlights right against exploitation. Let's see how exploitation takes place in society and why it must be stopped.
Flowers, buy some flowers. It's beautiful. One for only 5. Ma'am, please buy a flower. It's only 5.
No, it's fine. Please be aside.
Ma'am, please buy a flower.
Wait, why are you here selling flowers? Shouldn't you be in school studying?
Ma'am, I don't go to school. My father sends me here to sell flowers.
But this is wrong. Where is your father? I want to meet him.
Okay, ma'am, I'll take you to him. Dad, there's someone here to meet you.
Who is that?
Sir, what kind of father are you who sends his child to the roadside to sell flowers?
He is my son. I can make him do whatever I want. Who are you to tell me what to do?
I am
a responsible citizen. According to the right against exploitation given by our constitution, it is illegal to employ children under 14 years of age. You may go to jail because of this.
You want to go to school?
Yes, Dad. I want to go to school.
I'm sorry, ma'am, for my behavior. I'll definitely send him to school. Sorry, son.
Yes, Anaya is right. Our constitution prohibits forced labor and employment of children under 14 years of age. The next scene presents cultural and educational right. Now we observe how education and culture are protected by our constitution.
Hey Ria, why do you look upset? Amal, some people said our community school might be closed because it teaches our language and tradition.
No, kids. The Constitution of India protects cultural and educational rights. Under Article 29, any group with a distinct culture, language or script has the right to preserve it. And Article 30 says minorities can establish and manage their own educational institutions.
Yay! Yes, our teacher is right. India celebrates unity and diversity, and our laws make sure India truly respects every voice and every culture. In the fourth scene, we show right to freedom and constitute remedies. This scene explains how citizens can seek when their rights are violated.
Your Honor, my client was denied a job just because he is a Dalit.
Objection, my lord. It's a private company. They can make their own rules.
But according to the right to freedom, my client has the right to adopt any profession he desires, irrespective of his caste.
Okay, after hearing all the witnesses, the court has taken its final decision. The company has to give this job to Mr. Advait and send an apology letter for their discriminatory behavior. The court is adjourned. Yes, a correct decision. Under the right to freedom given by our constitution, it gives freedom of expression and speech and the right to reside in any part of the country and adopt any profession or occupation. The right to constitutional remedies allows citizens to move to court if they feel that the fundamental rights have been violated by the state.
Our constitution guarantees 6 fundamental rights: equality, freedom, against exploitation,
These rights help us live with dignity, freedom and equality. Let's take a pledge to respect and protect our constitution forever. Thank you.
आज दिल पे हाथ रख के ये कसम ले हम सभी, ना झुकेगा देश अपना, ना झुकेंगे हम कभी। आज दिल पे हाथ रख के ये कसम ले हम सभी, ना झुकेगा देश अपना, ना झुकेंगे हम कभी। जिंदगी का क्या किया जो सर उठा के मर न पाया, हो गया वो खून पानी जो वतन पे ना बहाया। चल लहू से लिख दे खाक पे, ऐ भारत माँ तेरी माटी तेरा देश पहले, दुनिया के सारे सुख पीछे है मेरा देश पहले। है तिरंगा शान अपनी,
एक पहचान मेरी तू ही, जित चाँद मेरी तू ही, जहान मेरा माँ।
जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन की सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले, आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे पे। चैन जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, इंसान के इन दोस्ताओं ने सलाम सलाम। मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती सोना हीरे मोती मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती तेरी कसम तेरी राहों में जाएंगे फूल चीजें तेरे कदमों मेरे पने से पीछे जाएंगे ऐ वतन हिंदुस्तानी जो पीरों से घिर है हिंदुस्तानी मेरा पता है जापानी हिंदुस्तानी जो पीरों से घिर है हिंदुस्तानी
But today I see a contract. Look at the back of this note. 15 different languages, yet it has the same meaning. This was exactly what happened on January 26, 1950. Our constitution became the master promise that every Indian is equal. Independence Day was about freedom. But Republic Day is about responsibility. Institution in the world and reflects the values of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. This principle guides our nation even today. Republic Day reminds us the sacrifice made by our freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru and many others who dedicated their lives so that we could live in a free and a democratic country.
I would like to thank our Vice Principal and all the sisters for your tireless dedication and commitment to our school community. It has been a great day and we have had beautiful performance by the students who have all organized and helped in making the special day even more glorified. I want to thank all the teachers who have put a lot of efforts to make the celebration a success. Thank you teachers and students.